Break some tobacco cigars and sprinkle them around your house and watch what happens. Let's be completely honest. No one really likes spiders. Even if they are small and completely harmless, no one really wants to have spiders hanging around the inside of their house. But how do they repel naturally without harming them, and without exposing their family to potentially harmful chemicals? 1. Tobacco. It sounds weird, but spiders hate tobacco almost as much as they hate lemons and chestnuts. You can sprinkle small pieces of tobacco where spiders are problematic, or you can put tobacco and water and then spray the mixture all over. However, tobacco is quite expensive, so you'll probably be able to find a more affordable solution to keep spiders at bay. 2. Use vinegar. White vinegar has about 5 billion uses for the house, and repelling spiders is one of them. Repel spiders with vinegar is very similar to repel them with peppermint oil. Fill a spray bottle with vinegar and water, and spray all cracks and crevices around your house. 3. Get the help of a pet. 4. Do not let them in. A great way to keep spiders out of your home is to first not let them in. Make sure the exterior of your home is free of leaves, grass clippings or stacks of wood. You can also look at all the door and window openings to make sure there is no space for spiders to enter and apply putty when needed. 5. Cedar. Cedar can be a great deterrent to spiders. You can use a cedar mulch around the perimeter of your home to try to keep the spiders from penetrating inside. If you have access to a cedar chest or cedar hangers to use in your closet, it is a good choice as well. The use of cedar blocks or chips inside the cabinets or drawers will cause the spiders to think twice before installing there. 6. Chestnuts. Yes, you read well, chestnuts. It is known to ward off spiders, so placing a few in the window frames or along the baseboards can keep the spiders away from there. Many people also believe the same thing can be done with an Osage orange. You can have Osage chestnuts and oranges at home for a long time before they get spoiled, so it's worth giving